It's a surgical procedure, so there are potential complications. We call them complications because side effects are usually reserved for medication.
Okay.
So there are different things that could happen. I think one of the drawbacks, the first thing is the expense. They are long procedures, they are done out of hours, so they tend to be a lot more expensive than your routine procedures. So it's expensive. There are risks of anesthesia because it's a long procedure. You could, I guess one of the main things is balancing the patient's expectations and what can be done. So sometimes, no matter what you tell the patient, she's got in mind, I'm going to look like Beyonce. And when you're done, she looks like, not like Kim Kardashian. So she's not particularly happy. Then, of course, there's risk of infections. There are times when it's not a perfect science. We are men, we are not God. So we can't always get things exactly equal on both sides. But largely, if you do it at the right place, in the right hands, it's quite safe.
Wow. Long term. Sometimes you do it and maybe years to come, the body looks funny or somewhere is falling off. Like, sometimes we see videos online and probably saw somebody went to do that Beyonce shape, and then when they are about 50 or 60, then they start looking like straight. I don't know. There's something funny.
Well, I guess maybe that is another drawback because some people get addicted to the surgery. I guess the commonest example would be Michael Jackson, who had so many procedures on his nose. It's down to the doctor to actually assess the patients because some people do have a psychological problem. They are not happy with their body no matter what you do. And you have to pick out those patients and ensure that you don't deal with them routinely. But some people do get procedures which are not right. And that's when you see all sorts of complications, things hanging here and there. Like, for example, going to insert a Botox implant somewhere in South America in some corner, and it's not done right. And I've seen one or two of those.
Wow, I think we all need to be careful.